What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Ubante Garage. I'm John, and today we are doing a continuation and some mods that just haven't been done to the CRZ yet. So we are slapping on this fancy exhaust tip that I picked up for less than $20 on Amazon. It's a DC tip and it is resonated, so it'll make the car quieter than it already is, which I wasn't going for. But the exhaust is kind of angled from factory, which is kind of weird, but we'll figure that out. It works with this kind of 3-clamp system, and it's a 4-inch tip, which is huge, and can do up to 1.75 to 3 inches, I think. So at least these won't stick out that much when it's bolted on there. And the other thing we need to do is the wife's gonna help me out and take these to the tire shop. I just got my 17x9 plus 35s repaired. This is the good side, but the other side got beat up pretty good when my white car got totaled. So back in the day, probably like 3 years ago, I was building a MUGEN white EP3, and that was my baby. That was a car that I just spent so much money on. I don't know why. I just love that chassis, and honestly, it was the one that taught me everything I know today. It's the car I did everything on the first time, and it was just a build that I spent way too much money on, and that's how I learned. But the white EP3, it had a MUGEN front. It's K24 swapped with a DC5R trans and stop tech big brake kit and all that good stuff that you want to put on a Honda, right? But I had taken it to my alignment shop, and they got it all sorted. It was the last alignment of the year. I went so many times this year because I was just doing so many mods, and it was my daily, so I was fixing it all the time. And took it there for the final alignment before the year started, everything sorted, and all my mods that I was gonna be doing. And the guy took it out for a test drive because that's how they verify if you drive straight or not, and totaled my car. So the guy got fired. It was a long story. I didn't blame it on the alignment shop. It was on the guy. I don't know what he did and why he did it, but the car got totaled, and that was it. And I got my 17x9 plus 25 C28N bent. And if you guys know, this wheel spec is super rare. Super rare. I bought these used, and I bought them for a really pretty penny. And yeah, they're my dream wheel. Super hyped to get them, and I ran them for a little bit and then got totaled and they got bent. But I ended up finding another set of 17x8 plus 40s right here, which are a little less concave than the 9s. So I ended up running that reverse stagger, so that wasn't a big deal. Damn, is this paint lifting? What the hell? Dude, Honda, you gotta step up your paint game, dude. That is trash. That looks terrible. That is legitimately lifting. On the plus side, I don't know. I guess I'll repair this and wrap it soon. Not a rapper, but I'll figure it out. But yeah, that's what I did. I've been running reverse stagger, and it worked out perfectly because that's what you want to do on front wheel drive anyways. But since I am wide on the CRZ now, the 17x8s need spacers in the rear. And before this, the 17x8s were perfect in the front. I'd mix match them, and you know, it would be legit. The front was flush, the rear was flush with the 17x9s in the rear. But like I was saying, now that I'm wide, I'm running the 9s in the front, the 8s in the rear with spacers, and it ain't the business. So I'll be swapping these guys out with those 9s, and it'll be really nice fitted in the rear with 0 spacers. And the front could use, like, it's on a 25 right now. I think it could use a 35 because I'm running -1 camber in the front now, and that'll be good. So we're gonna take that and the repaired wheel to the tire shop, get these 8s tires swapped onto here. We'll still be running 225 all the way around, and that'll be it. Fitment on the CRZ will be mint. If anything, I'll buy better spaces for the front. down the road, but that'll also cause a little bit more fitment issues, and we deal with that around here because we don't care. So yeah, we're gonna do that today. Let's go slap on this exhaust tip and hopefully it looks legit. Let's get it. So the exhaust is currently a little angled, so I'm gonna try to mount it up like this if it's possible, because yeah, that's like facing in, and I want to clear my rear diffuser as much as possible. So yeah. What's up?
Give me a hand for a second.
Yeah, what you need?
Put some of that in the back.
Oh, for sure. Yo, there we have it, guys. Had to help my neighbor real quick pull the grill out of his car, but that actually looks kind of convincing. Check it out from behind. Yo, that's kind of cool. And does it reach the outside? Almost. I wonder, it probably does interfere with the rear diffuser for sure, but even then, I like it. Hell yeah. Not bad, not bad. Definitely take that over spending $400 or something for an exhaust. What's up, bro? So that's good. That's good stuff. Now we can build the rear diffuser around that exhaust tip, put on the rear spats, and that'll be pretty much the new version of the CRZ. So now what we're gonna do is pull these wheels off, leave it on jacks, throw these wheels into this car, and the wife's gonna go take it over to the tire shop to get mounted. So I'm gonna knock that out, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Man, it is way too hot today, but we're knocking this out because I've been waiting too long for this day. But let's go remove these wheels. All right, guys, that's it. I'll see you guys when I do the reinstall in a little bit. Gotta drop the wife off at work. Yo, we are back. Tires are back, and now we got the 225 mounted on the 9s. What is this? Reveal yourself. Feels like a rock. Yeah, it's definitely a rock. But remove yourself. Okay, that's good. Didn't see anything else. So let's go throw on these wheels. Without spacers. Without spacers, baby. Without spacers. It's the best part. Also, was working on the rear diffuser, but we'll get to that in a bit. Also planning on getting my calipers redone. What color would you guys do it in? Comment down below. Ugh, ow, that really hurt. Damn. All right, never mind. Am I gonna bleed? Whoa, break my wrist off. Looks good, let's torque it. Star pattern. It's good. Let's go grab the other side and put on the other side. The rear is set. No spacers. But yeah, that's it. That's it for today, boys. Rear's dialed in. Look at that fitment. Perfect. No fat spacers. I was running 20 in the rears. It was 15 plus the 5mm spacer extra. And yeah, this is it. CRZ's looking good. I'll probably throw the 5mm spacer up here to give it just a little bit more poke. It could honestly use 10 back here, but I don't know. Maybe. Let me see. Yeah, you can use about 10, but I think 5 will make it look really good. So I'm not too mad about that. Car's filthy. I did add an Ube Made decal in the front because that Ube Made rep is gangsta. Sick nasty. Oh, sorry. That wasn't locked. But if you guys want to buy one, head to the website. Got some big ones there. I also have my 4-inch decal. If you guys just want to rep and buy one, they're only $2. So head down below in the description, click that link. But that's it. That is all for today. That's all I got in me. But the reality is I'm gonna go work on this rear diffuser. Hopefully it turns out good and make another video. So thank you guys for checking out the video. If you guys liked it, hit that like button down below and don't forget to subscribe. All right, if you're new, just hit it. Appreciate it, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.